guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Maria Scotto, and I like to do videos on luxury, unboxings, product reviews of luxury, and just everything luxury, but basically. So if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button, and thank you for our new followers here. I'm super excited and so grateful, and thank you for all your comments. I greatly appreciate it. But today's video is a fun one. I have a unboxing, and it's my first time purchasing from My Theresa because they had a sale going on and I just couldn't pass it up. So I got something, and yeah, that's what today's video is going to be, is an unboxing of my new item. So if you are wondering what I got, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so like I said, I bought something from My Theresa, and let me just say, I am in love with this company. Like, I think this is by far the best company I've ever purchased from. I've purchased from Neiman Marcus, I've purchased from Saks online, and I have to say this is by far my favorite because they always have like discounts for like luxury goods, and their shipping is so fast and their packaging is spectacular. So I just fell in love with it, and yeah, I can't say any more good things about it, but let's get right into it because I'm super excited and my hair is a little crazy. I just got out of the shower and I wanted to use this item, so I wanted to give you guys like the full effect of this unboxing and wear this item today. So yeah, okay, so it comes in this beautiful, I love this box, beautiful My Theresa box, and you have the choice online, which is pretty cool. You could get eco packaging or you could get this kind of packaging. I wanted this kind of packaging just for the first time. I don't know if I'll get it every time because quite honestly, I don't have room for these boxes in my bedroom, so we'll see. But yeah, it comes with this lovely yellow box, and it is also magnetic, which is really cool. Okay, and then opening the box, as you could tell, I purchased something from Laurent. I'm saying that weird just on purpose. But look how they package this item. They put tissue paper on all the corners so the box wouldn't shake during shipping. I just love that. I love the extra mile that your sales associate or whoever is packaging your package to just make sure it's presentable and just stunning looking when you're opening it, and it's just so much fun. I just love opening up luxury goods. It's one of my, I just love it. It's like my favorite thing to do, honestly. If I could afford more luxury, hey, I would, but right now I'm doing what I can. But yeah, so it comes like this, and let me just show you the receipt. I think the receipt is so cool too. It comes in this white like envelope thing, and on the front, I love this quote: "Real style is never right or wrong. It's a matter of being yourself on purpose," by Bruce Boyer. Just says it on the front. I just think that's so cool. And I'm not going to show you my receipt only because it has all my information on it and everything. But yeah, I did get $200 off this item, which is amazing. And I did hear that like My Theresa is going to do Cyber Week sales, so we'll see what's going to happen then. But as we're getting back into this, I'm going to take the box out. Put this down. All right, yes, it's a teeny tiny box. If you guys want to pause the video and go in the comments and guess what I got, then you can. But it is a tiny box, and it just says Saint Laurent on the front of it, and it's this beautiful black box with the Saint Laurent in white. Taking off the ribbon, opening up the box. Here is the item. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. Okay, yeah, there's nothing in there, just that like baggy silicone thing. Okay, so here's the dust bag, and oh, I'm so excited because I love how My Theresa provides the actual, oh jeez, nope, that's great. I love how My Theresa actually like provides the actual original box that comes with the item. I was so scared about that because I like to have the original box for the item. I know Saks Fifth Avenue didn't do it for my Gucci Dionysus, but yeah, I just love how they provide the original box. I think Neiman Marcus does. Yeah, they definitely do, but yeah. Anyway, So this is the Saint Laurent dust bag. It is very thick and nice feeling. I love it. And then get into the bag. Ooh, did I give it away? It's alright. I got the Saint Laurent toy Loulou bag. How cute is this? It is so cute, and I did save $200 on this baby. It was so funny because about a couple weeks ago I was about to purchase this bag, and something inside me said don't purchase it, wait a little bit, because you just got 2 bags, so just wait, hold off a little bit. So I think it was fate, guys. It was really fate that I went on the My Teresa. I don't know why I went on the website. I just usually go on there just to check things out because I know they have really good discounts sometimes. So I just went on there and I was like looking at it, and it popped up on a little coupon thing I use. Shop Tagger, I think. Yeah, Shop Tagger. That's how you say it. I'm probably saying that wrong. But anyway, there was a coupon code. I put it in, $200 off, and I was like, I have to get it. Like, I'm never gonna get this sale again. And I think it ended the 13th, which was yesterday. So yeah, I just bought it, put it in my cart, bought it without thinking about it, and here it is today. And I love it so much. It's so cute. Okay, so I got this one with the black, obviously, with the silver YSL logo. This bag comes in so many different colors. I'm like a neutral kind of person, so I got the black one. And opening it up, has this magnetic closure. It is so strong and I love it. It's great. I was very weary about this because I'm the type of person that like zippers on their bags, but this one's very strong and easy to close, and it is a crossbody bag, or you could turn it into a clutch, which is really cool. I love bags that are versatile. So this is the strap that it comes with. It's just a leather strap, super cute, and you hook it on the other end, and this strap is detachable on both ends, so you can take it off if you wanted to. But yeah, let's get into the interior. I love this bag because when I first got it, I was like, ooh, this is smaller than I thought. I thought it was a little bit bigger because I was watching YouTube videos on this bag and it looked bigger on camera, but in person it's a little bit smaller, but it's okay. It's so cute. And it does fit quite a lot. If you guys want me to do a what's in my bag video, then let me know in the comments. I would be happy to show you what fits in this little baby. So I gotta stop rambling. In the interior, it has 2 sections, one in the front, and I love this bag because in the front, I don't know how I'm gonna show you this, but right here on the bag has credit card slots. So I love that about that. If you want to take a few credit cards and not like a huge wallet, if you want to put extra stuff in here, you can always put your credit cards in there. And then it has this organization middle. I just love that. I stuck my card holder in here because I had something else to put in here, so it worked out perfectly. My phone doesn't fit in the middle compartment. I tried that, but it does fit like in each side of the bag, and then on the other side of the bag it's just the slit, and then has a zipper on the back of the bag. So I am loving this bag. I haven't even used it yet or taken it out, but I already could tell that this bag is gonna be one of my favorites, honestly. I've been into mini bags lately, so yeah. But yeah, this is the Saint Laurent toy Loulou bag in the black with the silver hardware. So yeah, I can't really say much more about this, but if you guys want me to do a review later down the road, I would be happy to do so. But yeah, that is my video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Go follow me on Instagram, subscribe if you're new, hit that bell notification so you're notified every time that I upload a new video, which is Mondays and Thursdays. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day or night wherever you're in the world, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.